YouTube, it's me again, and what I'm doing is I got railway spikes. No, I'm not a blacksmith. No, I'm not gonna make a railway knife. I bought a whole bunch for $1 each. I mean, they were $1, couldn't resist. My big plan of attack with railway spikes is I seen a guy on Instagram that polished them like to a mirror finish. So maybe if I'm really cool like him, I'll polish them to a mirror finish and I'll make a clothing rack, because that's how I roll. But I have, this is really cool, you gotta check this out. Brand new, like no word of a lie, with the mill scale left on it. Like this is a brand new one. Let me show you another one I got here. Let me show you this. This is really cool. I've never seen like this. This is the normal railway spike. I don't know if you can see it. See, it's like crud all over it. This is a brand spanking new railway spike with minimal little rust spots with mill scale on it. Like right out of the goddamn foundry where it's made. Pretty cool. So anyway, it's like, I don't know, 80 degrees, 35 degrees out right now. I'm sweating my nuts off, and I'm going to end this video here before I sweat all over the microphone. Like, subscribe, do your own like thing. If you don't like my channel, it's okay. I'm not upset. I don't like every channel. But if I got cool stuff on it, subscribe to my channel and make me infamous. I'll never be famous, but it's always going to be infamous. So like, subscribe, hope you like. There's all kinds of stuff, content on my channel. That's my little car. This right here, the red thing in the back, that'll be on my channel eventually, because I eventually got to get the tractor started. So it's going to be the Ford 8N channel eventually, and I got a few other projects. But if you watch my channel, you know I'm up to all kinds of things, and that's just how I roll. So like, subscribe, and who the hell is Wayne Reynolds again? He's in here somewhere. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the comments.